What's up, everybody? This is Rob Picks. Today I'm going to be picking on this blue Kenuard Dimple lock and be my submission for my blue belt. So yeah, let's do this. As you can see, there's a key that works. Get it right here in the vise, and hopefully we can get this done in a decent amount of time. So I want to say thank you to Mr. Brian Breakshit. He's the one that sent me this lock so that I can do this. So thanks again, Brian. This lock right here really reignited my want to start picking dimples again. Started messing with them a little ago, but wasn't really getting anywhere. But since getting this lock, it's been really fun. So just drop something there. Where's it at? I'm gonna try to kind of bump the tension on this one. Don't do that either. Alright, there we go. Should be one more that's holding this up here at this point. Where is it? Where's that pin at? Where are you hiding? Right here somewhere. There we go. Just like that. Alright, so now we'll gut this bad boy. Alright, so take this out the vise. Down here. Get our little trusty sparrows. Pin tray. And alright, let's do this. Let's see here. that. Let's get this off right here. Just, yeah, I could see there, I guess, somewhere right here, damn it. Alright. So now, got that turn. Got a little trusty shimmy. Let's get that lined up somewhat. Try not to drop these damn key pins. Boom. There we go. So I'm gonna put that right there for now. Let's get these pins out. So let's see. There's one. Just do a pin out. That. Alright, so there's one. Two. Number three. Oh, no way. Three. Number four. And number five. Let's get this looking nice before we get to those other ones. Let's see here. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, so what is that? As you can see there. Now for the driver pins. Let's get the shim out. Let's get this. Get my light, my old trusty light. And see what's hiding in door number one. Oh, okay. Got this. If I can get it out of here. This serrated. That there. Number two. Oh. Got another serrated. Three. Oh, I guess these are all serrated pins, maybe. It's looking like it's heading. Four. last but not least, number 5. Alright, 5 serrated pins. So let me get this out the way. It's that old Kenuard. Let me get these up here so you can see these pins closer. Right there. Nice. That was a fun lock. So, well, I appreciate everybody here that watched and tuned in. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all.